Hey, it's your girl Serena Lachey. I hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to talk about how to be successful in life. We got the life path, where you either go to college or don't go to college, or you go to trade school or you get your certificates. We have the social media way where you post content, get paid for it. We have the entrepreneur way where you have your own business. So it's different ways on how to be successful in life. So which path do you want to go? Do you want to go the life way? Do you want to go the independent entrepreneur way, or do you want to do the social media thing? Honestly, I feel like we should do them all three. Um, of course, there are other ways, but let's just talk about these three ways. It's a start. It's a start. So I know most of you are working, and hopefully you all are working enough to where you are able to cover your bills and have a little something to save up on. Um, I feel like if you don't, then you need to either find another job, or like meaning like have two jobs, or you need to find just something better for you in general. Like, this is the thing, y'all. Don't be scared to move on. Like, when I used to work old jobs, I used to be scared to kind of move on to something better, but I always did. Like, if I was working somewhere and I applied somewhere else and they were paying me more, I would go to the job that was paying me more. So don't be scared to let go of the job you have for something better. But just make sure that you do the interview, that you're hired, um, before you just put in your 2 weeks and quit. If you want to do the entrepreneur thing, I feel like you all should do a lot of research before you do, especially if you're thinking about drop shipping. So when it comes down to drop shipping, I feel like you all should definitely have your packing supplies before you start your business. Like, order all the boxes, the packaging. Just order everything you would need before you start your business. If you are going the social media way, the social media routes, I feel like you should. So for girls, I feel like if you look good every post that you post, you can be successful in social media. And for the guys, I feel like if you portray a certain lifestyle, just in general, if you portray a certain lifestyle that people would want to have. So, that's all we can talk about for today. Yeah, thank you all for watching.